it's better to be at a lower school and bill and then you transfer.
Yeah.
May I be honest, because every time you go in an SET school, if you're not perform, then them will go probably want put you in at the portal.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
You see me? So when I go SECs, you have to know say you're already. Me can't make finals.
Yeah.
You see me? Active.
My brother. It's a record already still, isn't
That
it?
tape?
That's an already. I already know. Welcome back to another episode of The Rivalries, and today we have the incredible Mr. Smooth, Jevaughn Powell,
Yes, sir.
Florida grade, KCO boy, and Edwin legend.
Yeah.
How you feeling, bro?
I'm feeling great.
Back
to
on
be
the
here.
ground?
Yes.
How
Yes,
you
sir.
feel?
I'm happy, bro.
Yeah.
You know, say the dream come true. You know, this way I work for all our life. And then I have to just appreciate every moment as we actually get it.
True.
Yes.
But me say, at a certain point, say, kind of quit, you know. You see me? I ain't doing this. But before we even go to that, man, a question in my life, I ask all I athlete them, who is Jevaughn Powell, the Jevaughn Powell? Like when you look in the mirror, who do you see? Because we see athlete, you know.
Yeah.
So who you see as yourself?
Well, for myself, to be honest, I just always see myself as one of the greatest. But, you know, circumstances in our life. And at this age, I get to find back who Jevaughn Powell is, and with all the experience I've been through in my life,
Yeah.
I just put it together now.
What do you mean find back? Because you have a great year last year.
Yeah, but I feel like since 2015, 2019, when my mother passed away, I struggle a lot.
For real?
Yeah, where it come to a point where I feel like I needed help.
For real?
Yes, and I just bury everything inside, and it affect me without me knowing. Yeah, I reach out to a point and I decide I really need to go get like help if I talk about them stuff.
So you go like therapy?
No, I need to go start therapy now.
Not even now?
No, not now, but me decide like today,
Yeah.
say me go start like today.
You know, say coincidentally though, you know, say I talk to you know if you know him, Nicholas Powell. Have you
Yes,
seen him? Yeah.
Them me see. So basically Saturday, I think about reaching out to him.
Yeah.
And as I say reaching out to him, I see him like
Yeah.
5 minutes after.
Yeah, man.
Crazy.
Respect with that.
Yeah, crazy.
Real, man.
Yeah.
But can we talk about the earlier days then, man? Even before Edwin.
Yeah.
How the upbringing stay?
And come from country, Frankfield, you know, Peckham. I always say Frankfield because we go up and down at Frankfield, but it was like 20 minutes outside of Frankfield, and I always want to be a soldier.
Really?
Yes, but
I mean, you're tall still, so.
yeah. So I always run up and down and whatever. You know, my mother tell me say, I'm gonna make me do track and field, and then that was it. But
No ball, no nothing?
no. Never used to go ball ground. Can't go to the house. Mother strict for me.
You only child?
No. But me did the last one.
Oh.
Yeah. So she didn't be a church. Me go church Wednesdays, Sunday, Saturday night.
You the choir?
Drum, everything you have to play. You have to learn to play every instrument. Yeah, bro. So church me go up in. And talking about quitting tracks now,
Yeah.
that just reached back to me because when me did do what them call it, GSAT,
Yeah.
me pass to go Claude McKay.
You didn't want to go there?
No, Claude McKay, Claude McKay is like, me get my last try, and it's like at the last, like when you put on the GSAT thingy, that was the last choice. Like, you know what, is that basically they must say, it's a done school.
Oh.
Yeah, bro, but you know what happened, me slow learner. Yeah, but that never defined my future or whatever.
Yeah.
But that's what I say, done with the track and field, whatever. And this guy in the community reached out to Mr. Stoner, Edwin Allen, and then get me in. But because I was the fastest at primary, I make junior team.
Yeah. You make some junior team?
Yeah, from CUT, from here, 6, I make Jamaica team. I make it again 2 years after. I reach high school, go high school, me at 10. They turn 11 years old. And then, class 4, they have 3 years of class 4, but you know you can't run a champ. So first year, 2 of them my first year. But whenever they stop train, you know, you feel like you're faster than everybody else. And then when you see man like Mattis and them man, they run 10. 100 meters, me used to do. Them I run 10, then you say, I run 11, 6, 11, 8. I say, we don't do no tracks because we're not fast, real.
Yeah.
Yeah. The top go training. top go training.
So how you get back into it?
The coach come on my yard for me.
Yeah.
He come on my yard, talk to my mother.
So your mother didn't know say you done?
No.
You just...
I just go up on the... So when you left Frankville Plaza, you know every school have a plaza.
Yeah.
Go there till late in the night and just go home after. My mother take me a train.
Oh.
Yeah.
You ever tell her?
No.
So to this day?
No. The coach did get up, go to her and tell her. Yeah. And he call me lazy man. Nickname him give me. I'm never used to train. Like,
train, I see, but if I'm busy, I do you call you hard, brother. I can't see that at all, man. But you claim say you're lazy and whatnot. You end up going win champs in the class too.
In a class, because Mr. Powell, that's the other guy where a coach like level them and them. Him did step in, new coach come in and him give me a 400 for run. Because him say, me just spring up over like one summer. Yeah. I come back, I get tall and I say, I make a run 400 and I cry. And the first 400 the next year after I run 102 instead. Yeah, and then we finish the season with 48.9. First year too when we were 16, yeah, around 48.9.
That's so fast right now.
Yeah. Run that at the all comers last race before we go Pens. We go Pens first year too.
Who did you play your Pens team?
Me, Anson, Ryan Holmes, Robin Anderson. Yeah, we come second at Pens. We are lead Calabar. No people never know that. The lead Calabar them pass it. That's when they broke the record the first time. Oh. The record was like 308. It was not crazy. Yeah, we run 310.
No bad.
Yeah man, it was a great team. Yeah.
So even though you run so fast, big, drastic jump, and I tell you like, I'm in a class when I run 48.
Yeah.
You see me? So if you're in a class then I run 48, brother. At a school where yeah, I mean, it wasn't really known.
Yeah, never really known that for tracks.
But you win. You win. And you get to a third or second 200 the same year?
No, second will come. Yeah, in Sashin,
Yeah. Why you decide to lose? The man believe in you, And you just set some woman just gone.
Leave Edwin?
Yeah.
I think an incident did happen. I'm not really talk about it.
You don't have to talk about it.
You know, I'm not really talk about it, but it's just my mother decided say, you know, it was the environment there get too toxic.
In a sense of?
Like, they have some issue with some of the guys and them like, them put some stuff in a Melasco. Let me put it that way there. Epsom salt to be exact. Oh. You see me? But me give it away. Me give it to somebody else. So it's like, you ask me feet and I say, yo, take it. Yeah. And me never there go use it. And then you now go use it and see it. And come to me and be like, yo, what this?
What this?
Yeah, but we did always have some like issue on the team. And my mother decided, say, you know, go back.
We talk a lot about your mother. What about your father?
And my father good, but him not. My father talk every day, but him not really understand. He's a farmer. Yeah. You know, him just knows him do track and field and him boy run.
So you don't see you on TV?
Yeah, he see me on TV.
Okay, alright.
Him come to stadium one time, come watch me run, but him just one day a country. And do what him do, farm, have him chicken, him not really into it. I take care of him when I can. Yeah. That's it.
So you don't feel like, you don't feel farm? What like your favorite?
My nickname a rooster. We used to do a bush every day, climb tree, jump up, all over the place.
And you come to town, concrete?
I come 1 year, 6 months, I spend at KC basically.
Really?
Yeah. I'm a KC man.
No, I mean, not KC man. As long as you're always a KC man.
No man, I just always say that. Yeah.
So always experience at KC?
Great.
Yeah, for real.
best thing me ever choose to do in my life. I don't regret one moment. Them paint the part for me basically. It's like after CXC, I do 6 CXC I did. I get like 5. I never pass English, to be honest. Fail English 2 times, get 4. Maths? Yeah, get distinction in maths.
So you're slow when you can't do maths?
No, my maths was different. Yeah, my maths was different. But I'm go KC, lower, I repeat lower 6 at KC. I do like the upper 6 subject them. And then I do 3 CXC, integrated science, HSB and annex 1 and English. And I get all of them, pass all of them in a 2. Yeah. So them set up SAT class and them pay for everything. Get drop off at school, pick up KC life was different.
Brother, KC posh, brother.
Yes,
Yeah,
different.
brother. KC, I'm there for him.
Yeah.
KC.
Well, no, KC, I'm there foreign. I already have my visa from them time, but
sorry.
KC did different, you know. KC different.
So what you feel about all the KC hate? You know, champs time. What you feel about it? Because them, alright, me frequent Twitter, you know. People hate KC. I tell you the truth, brother.
For why?
Yeah, because them say it's a cult.
It's a good cult.
Brother, me not think it's a cult thing. I just feel like man, them just close, brother.
Yeah, it's good. Them it's like a brotherly love with them for each other. Just like if you as a barman and me a KC man and we go for a job interview,
Fox.
and it's a KC man, I try hire us. I'm going to get the job over you. That's good. And create opportunities for other people. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, and plus even when I did them kind of show you like a different life.
Yeah.
You see me?
No,
yeah,
you don't have to suffer to make it. KC, show me that.
Brother?
You don't have to suffer to make it. I mean, I go home every weekend with $50,000.
Pocket, yeah, bro.
Pocket. Never ever have that.
People buy a uniform, brother.
May I tell you?
KC, nice,
everything bro. You get free.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
But you have to perform still, you know. Don't come and watch it and things.
Yeah, you know, it did just different. Because I did just know me go perform. So, and then the pressure did behind me because you know them expecting enough to do good when I leave country if you come at town.
True.
You know, so.
True.
Yeah, me love the pressure. Yeah.
You be under pressure, die man.
Yeah.
Really, man.
Definitely.
So, you left KC 6 months. Where I swear 1 year to do, man, I tell no lie.
Yeah, basically 1 year. But
yeah, true.
Yeah.
True. Why you choose to go UTEP? Because you had like a fairly decent year, you know?
Yeah, we run 20.6 or 20.8. I'm lying, 20.8 me run at champs. I never do the 400 that year.
Yeah, smart, you're smart.
Yeah, guys. I mean, Leafwood smart. Yeah, he had other guys that could have get into the 400 finals, so him spread way out.
Yeah.
Him smart, that's why him win champs over and over.
True.
You know, so him spread way out, me end up run the foot. I was the only athlete there that could have possible run both events, or even the 100.
Yeah.
I'm not slow.
You run the football one now?
I did run the football one. Yeah, but me get hurt. But yeah, so Coach Clark, I went to a visit Tennessee, and then I think a couple months after, the guy was like, my time was like, the time when they tried to sign me if I wouldn't get a full scholarship, I must say 47, and you know, that's slow.
So where did you run that year then, 94?
I never, I run like 48, one race I run.
So just base sprints in that focus?
Base sprints. I run 2 races. I run 21 before champs, and then I go run 20 points.
Okay.
Yeah, I run 21 twice at corporate and at a meet, like the youngster goes to meet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So Tennessee.
Tennessee never, them say my time was too slow for the 4 and then the 20.8. So
yeah.
And then last minute, because CXC never come out till way down.
Yeah.
Because so I go up on a visit in probably like August at UTEP.
School start, brother.
Yeah, way over Mexico.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Coach Clark. And we have a good reason, you know, him understand me.
Yeah.
It felt more like a
family.
A band,
Yeah,
So me I say, yo, me don't even want to go on the moon. Because from me get the connection there from a coach, we can work with you. You see me, so.
So you feel like connection more important than like the university itself? Like what them offer?
Yeah, because you want in an environment where you understand, people have to understand you, and you need a peace of mind. That's very important for you to perform good.
So what do you think Coach Clark did kind of provide a peace of mind there? What him give?
This, like, we can have a conversation. He has been through all of the pros, and you know, so he can tell me exactly what to expect.
Yeah.
Even when him tell me the day when I ran 44 with him, him tell me what I go feel like.
Yeah.
And I felt the same way in the race.
How did that feel like?
Him say it I go feel like I run 46. It I go probably feel like one of your slowest races ever.
Yeah.
And the guy passed me upon the turn, and him say, you go get past, don't make a move until I reach a 200.
Yeah.
Run the top turn, and then you go run 44. And it felt like that.
Brother, he did pretty still, me not telling a lie. He did pretty.
No lactic. Felt like we just jog.
Yeah.
Yeah. Best feeling.
Yeah, I did about 44.7.
44.8.
44.8, yeah. Big jump that, man.
Yeah, man. Big jump.
So you get to that, the first year at UTEP?
First year at UTEP?
Yeah.
Rough, because that's the year my mother passed away. And then COVID happened right after.
You in college when COVID happened?
Yeah, 2020. When we started 2019 going into 2020. And all of that happened December until COVID, and then just leave go work a PCB. Yeah, I work at a restaurant, make pizza. Yeah, you just roll up the pizza them.
At that table?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to do that, man.
That's when I purchased my first car.
Yeah, but you tell me you like sell them, man.
Yeah.
When you get into that, by the way?
Well, selling car?
Yeah.
It's just, I love cars. And it's just like every time me see a next one, I want to buy it. And if you can buy it and I profit off of the next one, you just change it.
True. What was the first car?
Honda Civic, 09.
Oh.
I regret selling that car up to this day.
Why?
Because you could have set it and it just...
Yeah.
You never give me no trouble.
Yeah. It's old school.
Yeah, never give me no trouble at all.
So how was, El Paso to you? You go from country to town, then the desert. It was basically Mexico.
Yeah.
How was the adjustment?
The adjustment did good because there wasn't a lot of distraction. No only for like crowd where you know where other people are going to influence you for.
But Jamaican did it? But Jamaican did it?
Well, Sean did it.
Yeah.
Sean the mentor, Sean showed me the way. Sean not do nothing.
That's true, man.
Sean focused on, being a pro athlete. That was his goal, and him did there help me. Especially Toby.
Yeah. Toby
did take me up in hand and she talked to me and she showed me the way. And it started from doing core in the living room until, you left from eating better.
Yeah.
And when you start do them stuff, the time I go just come.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what you feel like made the biggest difference from, KC to El Paso in terms of your transition as a person?
I think the biggest thing is the crowd that I did their own. Being in KC, crowd was more of, you have to win champs.
Yeah.
Being in college and being at El Paso is not like we could have win nationals.
Yeah.
It was more of a personal growth. It's about focus on myself and getting to a level of me really want the track and field as a job, as a career.
So you did really and truly want to go, bro?
Of course. I never know nothing else about tracks. Nothing else I don't know about track and field. I love track and field. That's the only thing will get me happy and the only thing will get me sad. So that's why I know say that.
Yeah.
And that's the way.
She have your heart, man.
Yeah.
She have your heart, brother.
Yeah.
She don't start. But
that's true.
Go up to 44, man. I hear them that want some video with them, man. Yo, take Sean know easy man to beat. Kind strong.
Yeah.
Speed on a really strong point, but you get faster,
Yeah.
I'm see you start whipping, brother.
Yeah.
You see me? What change up yourself? I can't hire so. I so, bro.
Me think me did always very fast.
Yeah, you're fast.
But me never believe in myself.
Really?
Me never believe in myself. Like me this scared. You say Tad run.
Yeah.
Tad scared.
Yeah.
He can't look at me and convince me otherwise. Say him scared.
Yeah.
In my same foot, no, you're scared because me experience running to win rather than running 44 seconds. And if you run to win, you're not going to run fast. Yeah, when me did champs, me jog out and me kick left everybody. It's easy for run like that, but when you go to the professional stage and you go to the college stage, that not gonna work.
Yeah.
You run 47 like that, still you run 46, you run 45. When the man show up run 44 every time.
Every time, brother.
Yeah, so
every time, brother. So Conference USA, you feel like you prepare you for NCAAs?
Prepare me for SECs.
Conference USA?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Because Conference USA, to me, come like you don't get science in SEC.
No man, it's at the speed conference. Good people did in there, but me going into college as a 47-second runner, going into SEC wouldn't benefit me in terms of building.
Explain that, man.
Means jumping at the fire. And then everybody can manage the pressure of, all right, I'm a 47 guy. I go out and SET school. The man them gonna whip you.
Yeah, true.
You see me? And that probably you probably come from a school or a country where me used to win with 47.
Yeah.
And you jump in at SEC, you go never win a race.
But you don't feel like if you get the opportunity, you take the opportunity. Because personally, bro, like if me, say for example, me I come out of high school, brother.
Yeah.
If me never have to go JUCO, I won't go,
Yeah.
But I go JUCO and like JUCO. You get me? I say, but so if me I go get a school figure, some SEC school, brother, me I go, bro. Cause even you the one go to Tennessee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But going to Tennessee, I just feel like the part play the right way in terms of God probably know how me as a person, them did need that specific attention there and that personal growth of, win couple race and build up my confidence instead of jumping at the heat and I lose all the time.
Yeah.
But my advice to a person that is not up there yet and just got in at the collegiate stage, it's better to be at a lower school and build and then you transfer.
Yeah.
May I be honest, because every time you're going to the SET school, if you're not perform, then them are go probably want put you in at the portal.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
You see me? So when I go SECs, you have to know say you're already. Me can't make finals.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's terrible, man.
That's important.
It's terrible, brother.
That's
Big
important.
one thing.
Yeah.
So I know that.
I never try pressure it or nothing. I wanted to go to Florida. That was my dream school.
Why everybody want to get to somewhere?
I don't know, because when you just like how me did there Edwin, but me did want the KC. Because KC I want me know from me little.
Yeah.
And me did have to go to KC. Destin. It was written. And then me did have to go to Florida. And then me at a point now me know what me want and me have to get it. So
Respect that.
Yeah. I the face them with me. Just know,
Yeah. Very long one. So how was Florida?
Great. After every changes, Florida, I can't say nothing. Florida, I really appreciate everything that Florida bring to me.
Yeah.
Isn't it? It bring out a lot. Like everything where come from Florida was necessary for put me where I did now. Yeah. Well, Paso was very necessary for Florida. Yeah. It's just stages. Yeah. So and then Florida built me for the one me there right now.
Me ask some about Florida, bro. What is it like if you know say you go win? Because Florida had to lose, brother. They hard to lose, brother. Where? Alright, me even if I coach Holloway or where I go on for Florida, but me I tell you, bro. You hardly see Florida lose. Like hardly, bro.
A coach Holloway, him have a what you would have said here? You see, like you as a person have some standards where you say this not gonna ever happen to you. Like you're gonna maintain a specific way of life. Like you are the one in the family where say I'm gonna make it. You don't see yourself a fail.
Yeah.
Like there's nothing but no name failure in a yearbook.
Yeah.
That's how Coach Holloway make we.
Yeah.
We have to win. There's no other option. Him not pressure we to win, but we not see ourselves or lose. It's like we're the best.
Yeah.
You see me? We not boast about it, but it's just like when I go up on the track and you have on that jersey there, it's just like it's pride. You have to run with pride, you have to compete with pride. We not go there on the back or we not go walk away with a down face.
You might ask a question, because I just kind of try. So you compare, me would compare based on me I see right now. Edwin, El Paso, KC, Florida.
Yeah.
You kind of look funny, so?
Yeah.
Well, actually, it's half a year still. Anyway.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, so them training now, teaching how to win. But what's the training sessions like? Because a whole heap of dogs up there, brother. I don't call no gators, brother. I be a dog up there, brother.
Yeah. So comparing El Paso training, it was more of a strength. 600.
El Paso?
Yeah, like Coach Cloud, Jamaican base.
Yeah.
Be a long running. Me never love it, but it benefit me.
Yeah.
But when you go to Florida, the first day of training we put on spikes.
Really?
First day. So me had a rough season the first year. I get hurt over, then me burn up my foot and whatever. That was outside on the track. But the speed, we have a lot of speed. Speed. We do strength work mostly on Friday, Tuesdays, but mostly we get a 450.
Yeah.
Isn't me? But speed right through. Yeah.
So you don't feel like say you can burn out? Because if you had alright, here what? Me not believe in the whole past 600 thing.
Yeah.
For that Jamaica, but overseas we kinda realize, brother, you need speed. Speed wins, speed kills.
Yeah.
You see me? But if you start in a speed from day one, you don't feel like say it might not be able to carry over all the way until August.
Yeah, what the type of speed him implement in the first part is just 30, is like show you how to push and like for drive. I just that, and probably I use weight vest. So it's not like him I try to get you fast immediately. It's just being technical.
Yeah,
The technical side of speed.
Yeah.
Yeah. And when you take off the weight vest and them stuff, then it's time for where I say deal with and really focus on specific stuff.
Yeah. So you say your first year of Florida, the rough. Can you talk me through like how it feel? You know, going in, you know, when it start go down. Cause you eventually get back up now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Carry me through the ocean.
Well, Florida training, easy.
Really?
Easy.
Brother, I'm watching out. What they call this in there, brother?
With,
like flow track and them?
Yeah, that was with like probably way back with Grant and the other Jamaican guy. No, it's not hard.
You know, hard or not hard?
Coming from UTEP, it's easy.
Okay.
It's make it easy because a lot of short stuff, a lot of sprinting, a lot of rest.
Yeah.
In terms of the reps in between. So for me, it did. The first year it was hard because my body did new to the amount of speed.
The central nervous system.
But when we get a full year in this thing, after that,
breeze.
When I come from World Championship, I was ready to run 45 probably a month after. Yeah. My season 46-1 indoors.
Well, speaking of World Champs, thanks to me that, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Thanks to me that, man.
Yeah.
Get that next one, boy.
It was a good experience.
Yeah, bro. Because even then, me don't ask if you're not go pro. And you tell me, say, not yet. Why? Would I go pro still? Never that. But what keep you from going pro that year?
Okay, yeah. For real and truly, going pro is not about where you run, but how you can compete against the world. I never feel like I'm ready. Because I win trials, yes, but when I got up on the world stage, I couldn't even pass the first round.
Yes, but that means I say like when you start speed early, you know, feel like because of that.
No. I was not Florida when that happened.
That was in Florida?
No, I UTEP me did there when I make my first World Championship team.
Oh.
But overall, the collegiate team, you're gonna be tired.
Yeah.
I run like 400 that year, including 4x4. Yeah, I gonna be tired.
But champion honestly, that was the opposite effect still.
No, because he was hurt. And him.
No, and he win a CC indoor.
They're indoors and he get hurt at nationals. And he never run back. He never run back until 4x4.
Yeah.
He had the least amount of race, but he catch up on him at Worlds.
Yeah,
he catch up because he run 43, but I think 44.4 or 44.7 got a medal that year. Yeah.
True.
And him couldn't get that, but you can tell yourself you're not tired, but you are. The race I got prove that to you.
True.
Yeah.
True, man.
That's it go.
So how you recover after a season like that?
Really and truly, I speak with Coach Mills and him they tell me say, cause afterwards I end up got Commonwealth.
Yeah.
Which no make no sense. If I had the knowledge when I have now.
What do you mean no sense?
Because after that long season, a collegiate running, and then World Championship, and I couldn't even pass the first run, run 46 seconds. What more you expect to get out of your body after that?
Though.
No.
But
not the experience, it's about what go on the next season.
Okay.
You have to think about your future rather than what we can get now.
Yeah.
You have to get the experience on World Championship. That's bigger than Commonwealth. That's what you needed to move forward.
True.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah, so Coach Mills telling me, say, that's one of the only things I said I would regret going to Commonwealth because it was like, I make it to the semi-finals. I never met the finals.
Yeah.
What's the sense of going there? I couldn't go out there and make the finals and actually get a medal.
True.
Struggle the World Championship.
So how you handle like, you know, competition? Because it seems as if like you have this, well, you're living the life right now where you want it to you are a professional athlete, you know what I mean? But how you go into like a race? What's the mindset?
Alright, so I could speak about being at Edwin Allen. When I did there at Edwin Allen, I was a person fear. When I walk down in the tunnel, me a vomit. me a vomit to the chalk.
Yeah.
Then I come out there, alright, what are your nerves? Vomit. But now, me not feel nothing.
Yeah.
And that's scary. Because when me not feel nothing, me never yet run good.
Yeah.
So it's good to be nervous but not afraid. So you can't make the nerves be you being afraid to go out there and actually run. Don't make the nerves take over you.
True.
So when me have nerves, me know I'm going to compete good. You see me? So that's a good thing.
Yeah.
But if you leave it to take it over you, it can be a bad thing.
True.
Yeah, but most of the time I go out there, I not feel nothing.
Yeah.
I kind of feel a way, so I not feel nothing.
So you feel nervous in a boat in 4 and 2?
No.
Which one?
I love that 200, I love that 200, I don't feel nothing.
Just go there and just run for fun.
Yeah, the 200 is like, I not have no, me I try, still me sit down and try to figure out what's the thing behind how we feel. It's a mind thing then.
Yeah, it's a mind thing.
It's a mind thing then, because with the 200, me always ready, I'm active, I'm believe in myself, say me I go out there, I go run 19 today.
Yeah.
But when I go on the line for your 400, it's just like them little doubts I come stir up in your mind, and you know, you're gonna get tired, but no, you're cheering for it.
True. So who was your favorite competitor at Florida? Your last season, who was your favorite competitor? Can be Jamaica and NCAA. Who you like compete against?
Emmanuel.
Oh, you can't pronounce his last name. You thought you would.
Bamadeli.
Yeah.
Him, good training partner. Him not train hard.
Really?
Him always run a back. Yeah. Always run a back.
Meeting farms at Till, brother.
Yeah, well, it was surprising when him win.
See him?
Because...
I think Ryan not going to win.
Well, him tell me say him not going to win the morning.
What's in there?
Emmanuel.
Yeah.
He say him not lose, and it's just like, based on training, if you see the whole of we train, it's Ryan and me up there and Jacory.
Yeah.
But Jacory was the best out of all of us, so be honest.
And quick.
But he never run the 400 a year.
Yeah.
He would have beat all of it, because he's win SECs indoors.
Yeah.
But Emmanuel just, they run a back. In everything. They run a back, him take him like a time. You tell him 50 points, him run 50 points, him not go over the time.
Smart, man.
Yeah, and then he just come and just show up on the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And deal with it. So about Jamaicans?
Well, I never get to train with them.
No, not train, man. Who you like compete against?
Oh, as Jamaican?
Yeah.
In Florida? I like in general.
In general.
Who me that say me like? I like run with Sean.
Sean, why?
Yeah. Because Sean not gonna race every time, especially if I rounds.
True.
Him know if we go through rounds, and him know say, you know, I go out there go run 43 today. I know I have a finals tomorrow. So him know if we take it easy and be smart about making the finals or save for the next round. Yeah, smart youth.
Feel about
it. Yeah.
So, the talk we have with Mr. Mills, Commonwealth, make you end up back a yard.
Yeah, so basically when we come down for trials, they end up go up they go. Like I do my training and stuff, and I sit down and I talk to him, and like the knowledge what him have and the way him express things and break down things is just like it's just like it make everything just so easy.
Yeah, he make it seem so smooth.
Yeah. And in this more me I to a lot of things, and I say, you know, if I can have somebody for work with we understand athletes that much, you know.
Yeah.
And put the athletes in first. And you can tell him how you feel and him know exactly how you feel, then why not? You're gonna do good.
True.
Yeah.
So you don't feel like he's more of a 1-2 guy and a 4 guy?
Yeah, but a 200 more I run.
200, brother. We need some 400 man, brother.
Yeah, I go run 400, but I feel like...
No, we need some 400 man. We don't want someone I go run 400. We need some 400 man, brother.
Yeah, me not go put down the 400.
All right.
But me always imagine myself, because me have self-reflect when I sit down and I see myself I do stuff. And it's just always around 19 little bit. It's never around like me want to run 43, but the passion I really feel inside, I have to run 19 seconds.
Suppose the 43 come first.
Well, I'm going to take it. But I know if I run the 19 first, I'm not going back to that 43.
No, sir, but everybody run 19, bro.
No, I want to run 19 low.
Yeah. See that?
I don't want to just be a regular athlete. We are run 19.9, 19.8. I want the up there in the grades. Because it doesn't make no sense if you're going to do the sports because you want to be an average athlete.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how long you feel like you want to compete for?
I want 2 more Olympics. So 32. And that's the next one?
What?
Yeah.
2 more?
Yeah.
Brother.
2 more Olympics.
Brother, that's a long cycle, my father.
In a long, you know. Because the other day me there 19, now me I turn 25 this year. And it just, feel that long.
Yo!
Yeah. Yeah, ain't that long.
You can do it still.
But I gotta do it, man.
Yeah, man, you can do it, man.
I gotta do it.
You can do it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, how has the transition been from, United States to backyard?
To leave from the US and come back to Jamaica, it's harder than moving from a next state. I can just pack your stuff them in the car and you drive to a next state, but coming back to Jamaica is just like, start over your life. Yeah. You left a whole life in the US and come back to Jamaica.
Yeah.
It wasn't easy.
Yeah.
Like the first night you come back home, you probably can't ever sleep. You're in a whole different country.
You're a country?
Yeah, but I felt like me never there. But me go live here again.
Yeah.
And it felt new. It was weird. I only been to Jamaica for a couple of weeks and then I gone back home. Because that's how I call home now.
True.
You see me? So it was rough.
How long it take you to get to this point where you're there right now?
In terms of?
You feel like you're just right now?
No, I'm good now, man.
Yeah, so long?
I'm good now. Probably like a month after.
Not bad then, man.
After everything stopped on me, the bank and the traffic and after all of that stuff on me, then I say, you know what?
Yeah.
We had to go patience with the people. Them.
Yeah. Brother, I'm telling you, I like Kingston traffic, brother. Me hate see 1.9 miles and 17 minutes. That don't make no sense to me, bro.
True.
That don't make no sense to me, brother. I'm not telling no lie.
Yeah.
You're under Racers management. Signed to Adidas, congratulations, brother. That's nice, man.
Yeah, true.
One is Fervert Global. Yeah. Tell me about that because I don't understand.
So my agent, Mr. Russell, he was the manager for the UTEP team, and then him take up the Edwin boys them in hand. So him get the Edwin boy them the Nike sponsor with him have now, and him used to like go back and forth. Them saying we go physio or whatever, So that was the connection with him.
Yeah.
And I never know he was an agent.
I never know it.
Up to even last year,
Yeah.
probably a couple of months before me signed with him, I never knew he was an agent. But then he convinced me not to leave Edwin Allen because things was going to change.
Yeah.
But my mother never there have it anyway. Me never have any say with leaving.
Yeah. Did you want to leave?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, me did want to go KC.
I know about me.
Yeah. So him reach out to me and then him must say who me go sign with. Him never come to me like me try sign you.
Yeah.
Because he's a very private person.
Yeah.
Secretive, I don't know which word for use, but yeah. They end up so me find out say my agent and me say yo, me go sign with you.
Yeah.
And then everything just happen.
Just makes sense.
Like after me find out probably 2 months after, everything just happened. Because me did sign with Dwight.
Yeah.
And then me did unsign from them and signed with
You
me.
can sign?
Yeah, you can
I
sign.
too.
Yeah. But we did just have a good relationship with him, and I feel like I never give him a chance since I didn't have in time. Yeah.
Okay. So you feel like it's more of an obligation thing, or it's just like it just makes sense?
No, it's like when I talk to people, I like when I have a conversation with people and I can get that energy and see who have my best interest in heart, and it's just you have to have a connection.
Yeah.
You have to trust your heart.
Yeah.
You see me? I'm not the person because you have a big name or whatever. I always just feel like I'm going to be the best. So no matter which room I step in,
yeah,
there's going to be opportunities for me.
Yeah.
That's it.
Like a confidence still.
Yeah.
Big man thing.
Yeah.
You talk smooth now, but you're confident.
Yeah.
You're confident, man.
Yeah.
So how the training with Mr. Mills?
It's hard. That coach just said the same thing. My training is not hard. You should see the other people. No, it's hard. Coming from doing 2 120s on a Monday to 2 rep run on a Tuesday to half on a Wednesday to 2 rep again Thursday and then 3 rep. I am doing 15 reps of stuff. We don't get no day off and Sunday alone. Yeah, it's hard.
No, brother. That man had to rough from itself.
The rough, like, it's nothing what me ever experienced in my life. But it builds your mental more than anything else.
Yeah.
Yeah, I go obviously get physically strong, but mentally,
it
I go build you.
Yeah, man. So how does it feel to be under, you know, his guidance?
Great. It's an honor to have even conversations with him, to get knowledge.
Have all the number.
Yeah.
Really down.
We sit down and have hours conversation with Coach Mills. It's just like, it's just like he make it so easy for him take every letter out of the alphabet and say it over to you one by one.
Yeah.
You know? And so he make it feel, break down your body.
Yeah.
Break down your mind, how your body work, what you need to do. And get the best advice. Him know. Him can be a physio.
Really?
Him can be a teacher.
Can't see that.
You know, I tell you, him know everything. If your knee hurt you, and give you a suggestion to what you really need to do. And it's just him knowledge and him experience.
Yeah. True.
Yeah.
Why? It's a great man still, I'm not telling a lie, but I don't know, brother, I don't think I come my yard back still, I'm not telling a lie, bro.
For the 400 or?
Just, well, when I come my yard, come live. But I think I come my yard, come train, bro.
Oh, for the training?
Yeah, bro. You see me, because even right now, you know them I talk about this, say, yo, the NCAA are burnout, Jamaican athletes. How you feel about that? Because personally, I don't agree. Me not feel like you're real. Because here, well, like me, I say, look on myself. I guess maybe the name brand athlete them, but we can also argue. I can also argue the point, say, yo, at a man stay a yard and nothing. Yeah. So we can't just blame the NCAA.
Truth?
Yeah.
My advice to athletes that's leaving to go to college from high school, if you're an average athlete, if you say I leave 46, 47, go to school. If you see a potential 17, 18-year-old, I'm going to use Taj as an example and Rose.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell them to go pro.
Really?
That's just my opinion.
Why?
Because I see the potential in them to get really better. Based on being around them, running technique, work ethic, you can fix simple things with them and get big things out of them.
You can get hurt, brother.
Yeah, you can get hurt, but that's where you have people around you. If you're going to gain a space, you have good management, and then focus on these younger athletes, I see no problem. Because the biggest thing is not the training program or where you at, it's the therapist where you have. And the people that are behind you, and you have the mindset knowing that I need to take care of my body.
Yeah.
Speak with people who already been through it, where show me what you do to reach the level where you're there. So if them can sit down and talk to people, we can give them the knowledge there, they be alright if them listen. Yeah,
but the thing, alright, and maybe I'll go on a tangent, hopefully not, but I say the kids them nowadays, brother, them kind of pampered.
Yeah.
You may say, bro, and everybody want to go pro.
Everybody want to go pro.
That's a problem.
Yeah.
That's a big problem, bro. Not because you're fast or you win champs, means say, I feel.
Yeah, facts.
You get me I say? Yeah. So I kind of disagree with that, I'm not telling a lie.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah. You see me? Because, why? I say enough man. Enough man. I don't have to call a name, but we're good. Yeah. And that's it. That's truth. You see me? But if they ain't got school, they might figure it out. Yeah. Because if you give a 16-year-old, 17-year-old, hundreds of thousands of dollars in US dollar, and stay a yard, $1 million you look on them. Yeah. A brave me, But that's where you have to have good management team behind you, for mentor you, and make sure you're going to the right path. Because if you leave them unattended, them going to do what them love. But this is a professional sport, brother. Yeah. Yeah, me can't hand feed you. Yeah. You feed me. Me as an athlete, you know, I'm paying the coach, you know. Yeah. But coach like Glen Mills, no matter how old you are, you're going to feel like a child around him. Because man make sure so you do the right thing. Even if him know say you're at this age, him still going to remind you over and over, and him check up on you and make sure say get up on the right path. Yeah. So being around that man, and if them guys touch him, a training touch, whatever, if him decide to go pro, and may say go. But moving forward from the alleys that capable of running fast, the one them way average, I would say go and build, and don't take your freshman year for granted like how I did.
when I say, oh, I'm just a freshman.
Yeah.
You have to go in there with the mindset of, I can go and actually go win NCAAs too.
Yeah.
Because I see that I'm over and over.
A lot.
But if you do 5 years height, 4 years height, that's a no. If I knew that I could have run 44 my first year and get a deal, I would have been out of the system.
But you did run 44?
Not my first year.
Not your first year, but you did run it.
Yeah.
You see me, so...
But I feel like I wanted to get better at that point.
So okay, so basically I say you did realize what you can do, and you feel like you never train or run as good as you could have, and you get 44. So you did okay. I get what you're saying.
But I kind of manipulate the whole thing coming back after that, because my experience with running so much, I go to school where never they run as much, and then I go there and do my own thing after.
Okay.
So I kind of never have a good relationship leaving.
Yeah.
Because I did end up doing my own thing because I did really and truly focus more on make the national team than... Well, I wanted to perform with the NCAAs. Yeah. But my priority was making the national team.
Why is it so important for you to be national team?
Because that's what we are work for.
True, but you know, alright. You think if you don't make a national team, you're less of an athlete?
Yes.
Really? Alright. You feel like, say, if you only make the 4x4 or just the relay, you're less of an athlete?
No. Just making the team on a whole, you're a national athlete.
Okay.
With me, the way I feel about myself, I'm not the person to beat up on myself. Unless I know I go out there and do my best. If I go there and do my best and lose, I don't care. But if I go out there and know, say, deep down, I don't put out my all and I don't perform as I want and I feel away. You see me? So yeah.
Okay, I feel though. So, your first race as a professional, how did that feel?
Slow.
How I feel?
Slow. That was heavy. I feel like I have on a 30-pound weight vest around the track. Because it's just, I'm in the collegiate system for so long, bro. Where you're sharp from January.
Bro.
And then now you're still at the background in February.
No, man.
Yeah, the water, you lift Friday before you run Saturday. Yeah, get hard program Friday before you run Saturday. You still have to go out there to run.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm never really disappointed with the 46 I'm with, but I say, me probably in a good shape, but you know, training load and you know, you're gonna feel away there. And it's just for you to be patient.
So do you feel like, say, it's fair on, you know, the general public to like judge the athletes, say they might run slow?
I don't care about them because they don't understand.
But alright, how would you get them to understand? Or do you think they need to understand?
Well, Jamaican people, I don't feel like them are gonna ever understand. It's just because both them set it so high. Yeah. It's just like everybody that's doing underneath where both them set it, it's just like, oh, they're a joke. Them not do as well. But them not know.
But we're not though. Like, in all honesty.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not.
Yeah, I know. But it's just like, them don't know the process, like you. Yeah. Them don't know who you be. Them don't know who carry me. Them don't know you, bro. Yeah. Them don't know where you come from. Yeah. Yeah. Them don't know how hard you work to reach where you reach now. You probably did a 50-pound guy, and then you end up, you know? And then you reach a 45 seconds, you know? You reach a 20-pound little bit. But nobody never see you and nobody are paying attention until you're the 45 guy.
Facts.
And them expect you to come broke the world record now. Why?
Yeah, true.
You don't know where I come from. Yeah. So, true. I don't agree with them and pressure on the athletes and them not on, because they could put pressure upon us if you're a person who focus on comments and what them have to say. Because me opening with 46 seconds, it got to be a little bit from me. Because I run 46 in a while, you know, you feel some type of way. But why running 44 now? Okay, so how do you feel about running 44 now? No, what's the benefit of running 44 seconds? Like, say February. Yes. No, I would want to run 44 now because I'm 2 months out to trials. But the benefits of opening with 44 seconds is just like, unless I'm going to on a road for run 43 seconds. Because deep down, you reach a chairs and you still run 44, nobody not going to remember what you open with. True. Yeah. True. Nobody care where you open. The man that won Olympics last year opened with 45.9. That's 46 flat. Yeah. He run 3 seconds. If we go win the Olympics. Yeah, money dog. Yo, brother, he start out shitty, you know, bro. Big one thing, brother. Yeah, so you have to understand that.
Yeah.
And that's what me understand, and that's why that not gonna ever affect me.
Yeah.
But I was never the guy to be running fast at track meets. Never.
True.
I show up when it matters all the time. I go make the team and I go run fast.
Yeah, true.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
What's your favorite national team so far?
Budapest, not no, I'm sorry. When you get the silver, bro.
Oregon. Because of the Oregon, because of the medal.
Yeah, because of the medal.
Yeah.
Because and the whole thing is just I go the first time and I get a medal. I'm gonna make finals.
Yeah.
Teach me so much.
Yeah.
How much better me need for be, and how much the other man them really and truly no good.
Really?
Yeah. Yes.
Like you said, Sissy is a level playing field.
Yes, if you really and truly focus and put in the work, you're as good as all them man that's out there. For really and truly.
You're confident in that, man?
May I tell you?
Rate that.
May I tell you? That's when my eye really open up to. I never did see myself as one of the best. Like, and then, especially when we reached the Olympics last year, we make it to the semi-finals. I can say me the 90s, like me the 19 best man in the world.
Yeah.
Me reach, yes. And I say, I don't feel like I put out enough either way.
Yeah.
Like in terms of training, being disciplined. If I can lock in for real and do all of that, I can be the best.
Yeah.
I can be the best.
So do you feel pressured by like, you know, having a logo on your chest?
With Adidas?
Yeah.
No, that's where you have to negotiate the good deal them where you don't have to be pressured to be...
like developmental?
Not development. Adidas give at least opportunities for bill. You have developmental contracts.
No, not like that in a book.
Yeah. It's better off when you're not like a world class. It's good for get something where you can build with. Cause I spoke to this guy a couple months ago where him run fast, sign and get a deal, and it's like him said before him get the deal, him never did think about money. You're in a college, you just run, you have fun. And you know you want the pro. You want to go pro. And him say after him get the deal, the pressure where it come with, you have to make. His deal was like, you have to make it to the finals, you have to get a medal, you have to run a certain time.
Yeah, beat this someone now.
You know, it's just like, you're going to get cut. If you're not, if you're really and truly not perform, and that put a lot of pressure upon you.
Yeah.
Because every day you go wake up and be like, yo, if you get injured, you worry about me not even making the next half of my money.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Forgot to say, I told her to come in for real, man.
Yeah. So now me getting a contract, I'm really and truly not think about making the money.
Yeah.
I'm just try to be the best athlete and do what me do forget to this point.
Yeah.
Yes. Me not, and I focus on the money. It really and truly not work out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So with that, what's an advice you'd give your former self? Summing up all that, your career, what's an advice you'd give yourself?
The biggest advice to myself is to stay patient and to treat every race and everything in life like it's the final. Yes, treat every race and everything in your life like it's the final. And be very cautious with everything what you do.
But you can't have cautious in the final.
No, cautious mean I'm not speaking about the final, being cautious with the finals. It's just being very careful with everything as an athlete.
Yeah.
Walking, when you walk, you have to walk as a professional. Just as a professional, everything. There's no room to mess up.
Yeah.
Because me mess up a lot with from burning my foot.
Yeah.
That's just stuff outside the track and field where it's just carelessness. And you know, to make them stuff that happen to you as a professional athlete. And that come over in your life too.
Yeah.
Where you can mess up, being around the wrong crowd, doing the wrong stuff. So that are the most important thing more I tell myself. So stay on point at all times, be in control of everything what I can be in control of.
So how you take your mindset off of the sport? Like what you do outside of the sport?
We don't really do nothing outside of the sport.
So you just, this is the life.
That's not good. For me, I reach to the point where I feel like that's not good.
Yeah.
You have to enjoy because it affects my emotions when you get injured and you can't train and then there's nothing else you know what to do.
Yeah.
You just sit down and think about when I get better, I can't train. You know, I want there on other people and I train because I go feel some type of way.
Yeah.
So get out there, have fun. Don't feel like because you go drive a couple of hours, go enjoy yourself, then nothing gonna happen to you. No, enjoy the moment.
Yeah.
It good for your mental.
Yeah. So Mr. Mills, does he encourage, doing stuff outside of sport?
Not really. No coach not really want you to do
Not
that.
like that, about like him say, yo, just go cool out, you know what I mean?
Yeah. If you talk to him, I'm gonna tell you if you take a day, him big pan how you feel like. When you talk to him, he want to know how you feel like, how you think about, how you go through. You know, because he want to make sure it's mental. If your mental not did it will affect you. Even if you're in a shape.
Yeah.
Like most of the people I see will go through stuff. Well, me personally know I go through stuff, and you see them at training, they probably flying, and then they might go through little thing, and then you go see them perform, and it's like, oh, this man was in shape.
Yeah.
Why him not run good? And him not hurt?
Yeah. That catch me still, man. Like, that man that they reaching, brother. Yeah. But yeah, man. Father Powell, thanks for your reasoning, brother.
Bless up, man.
I go see you. I Tokyo? No, not Tokyo, man. I place them again, man. World Champs this year. At Tokyo?
At Tokyo,
I think I endured at Tokyo.
No, I keep at Tokyo.
Oh, sorry. No, I see that Tokyo. Is it me?
New event, though.
You don't have to disclose it. Not have to disclose it. Yeah, man. Respect for your reason. All the best in nice season, bro. You know what I mean?
Active, man.
Bro.
Bless.